UPSC 2023 ర్యాంక్ హోల్డర్ ఉన్నారు మనతో పాటు సిద్ధార్థ్ శ్రీవాత్సవ్. సో తన ర్యాంక్ ఏంటి, తన జర్నీ ఏంటి, తన్నే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. అండ్ వాట్స్ ద ర్యాంక్ సార్?
My rank is 118.
Okay, 118. It's a very good rank. So
Thank
how
you
does
so
it
much.
feel?
It feels really satisfactory because this was my last attempt and I could achieve this feat. Nothing better than that. I used to think that I'm not cut out for this particular job, but the way it has transpired, I'm really grateful to God for this.
So it's your last attempt and that must be so stressful. So how did you manage that?
Yeah, it was quite stressful, but I belong from Varanasi, Shiv ki Nagri. I have always been quite spiritual, so Lord Shiva has always bestowed me with a lot of patience and perseverance, I would say. I ardently practice yoga, meditation, and exercising. So these are some of the things, and my parents' blessings, because of which I could sustain for this long.
Okay, what is your option, sir?
My optional is geography.
Okay, geography. That's a difficult subject as well. So how did you, and why did you choose only geography?
So I have an emotional connect with geography because my mother is BA honors from geography. So I always thought ki why not go with my mother's subject. I never left it. I had an innate passion for this particular subject, so that's why I chose it.
Okay, then how did your mother help in clearing this?
She was my support system. She was always there for me. She has forgotten the geography, but she never forgot how to nurture a kid, and she has always been a true inspiration for me.
Okay, so finally, so what do you want to suggest the students now preparing for an exam?
I would say that in this age of information explosion, you have to stay focused. I would say that you should remove your phones while you are studying and stick to the basics because that's what is needed. I'll also try to comment on the fact that there's a lot of hero worship around this particular job. In Hindi, we say that हम अधिकारी बने हैं, we have become officers. किसी के अधिकारों का हनन करने के लिए, नॉट टू डिस्ट्रॉय द राइट्स ऑफ अदर पीपल बट टू प्रोटेक्ट द राइट्स ऑफ अदर पीपल, दूसरों के अधिकार की रक्षा करने के लिए. सो दैट्स व्हाट माय मैसेज वुड बी.
Thank you so much and thanks for your time.
थैंक यू.